Hi, everyone. Now, you know the last few days we've been looking at the periodic table, right? Okay. Well, I know this is not the best version of it, but take a look at this. This is kind of my own rough draft of it, right? It gives you a general design. Over here is where you have hydrogen. Over here you have helium. You have some elements in between. Now, watch out what happens when we put up some of the names of the families or groups. You got the Nobel Gases, right? That's your first group. Nobel gases, inert gas, in other words, odorless, colorless, and monatomic means one atom, and low, what does it say? Low chemical reactivity. Not much chemical reactivity happening. Where do we find those noble gases? We find them right here, over there on the right-hand side, that first column. Okay? All right. Then you have other nonmetals. Other nonmetals. Sounds pretty simple, right? Other nonmetals, they happen to be right in this little piece of pie right there. Right there. That's where the other nonmetals are. Then we look at the metalloids. Now, what are the metalloids? Oh, that's a cute name. The metalloids. It simply means in between the metals and the nonmetals. Metallic appearance, brittle, and only fair conducting of electricity. I repeat, metallic appearance and only fair conductivity. In other words, it only in a fair way conducts electricity. Let me give this to you real quick. That way you can write it down, okay? The metalloids. Now you got that all? The metalloids? Okay. The metalloids. All right. Now, then you look at this periodic table, where would they be? Well, they would be right about here. That's the metalloids, right there. That's that little section right here, the metalloids. Again, a rough drawing, but when you look at a periodic table, a real one, I think you'll get what I'm talking about. Then you have the post-transition metals. Wow, we're getting really fancy with our conversation, aren't we? The post-transition metals. Look at what the post-transition metals say. See that? I'll read it to you in a second. The post-transition metals. Let's look what it says here. They're soft or brittle. Okay? They're poor mechanical strength. Melting points are lower than transition metals. So soft or brittle, poor mechanical strength, melting points are lower than transition metals. All right? I'll give it to you so you can write that down there. Yeah, I got that. Makes sense. Hope it does. Hope you got that written down. If not, you can always stop it. Okay? Now, we got and by the way, where's that going to fit? It's going to fit right to here. These are those post transitionals right in this area right here. Okay? Now, you know that big chunk in the middle of the periodic table, this big area right here? Well, most of these are going to be called and are you ready for it? The big word, transition metals. That's right. Applaud if you want to. Yes, you may applaud. Transition metals right here. And what do the transition metals look like? Well, the transition metals look like high density. I said high density, high melting points. Okay? And there's high boiling points. Now, and yes, they conduct electricity. We would assume that for metal. They conduct electricity. But of course, there are a few, that have lower melting points and lower boiling points. There's a few, but most of them are high. Are you with me still? Hope so. So I'll put that up for you right there. Transition metals. Uh-huh. That's good. That's right. Uh-huh. All right. Now, we go to the alkaline earth metals. Now, what are how did I forget that? Right smack in the middle, that's where they are. Those transition metals are. Okay, make sure I showed that to you. Then you got the alkaline earth metals. Alkaline earth metals are right here. All you gotta do is, I'm not gonna give you more information about them because I couldn't find a whole lot myself. Anyway, alkaline earth metals, there you go. And then you have the alkaline metals. Alkaline metals, okay? Where are they at in the periodic table? Well, Shazam, they are over here. Alkaline metals, alkaline earth metals, right on this side of the periodic table. So you're gonna remember this is hydrogen number 1, helium number 2, and all these others are 10s and 20s and 30s. This is the atomic number. That's the atomic number 1. That refers to the number of protons in the nucleus. I repeat, that number, the atomic number, is the number of protons in the nucleus. So, you get that all? You said, hey, you went too fast. Well, that's why this is a video, and that's why you can replay it. Not bad, huh? All right. So, if you got any more questions, send me a note. If not, replay the video. And if you still have more questions, put your hand up and I'll see if I can answer. You have a good night. Talk to you later.